12 liters stay innovative ultra-thin intelligent dehumidifier. Dehumidifying and drying 2-in-1 functions. Noise level only 32 dB, never so quiet before. Thickness only 170 millimeters, never so exquisite before. Net weight only 7.5 kg, never so lightweight before. 2.5 liters big water tank. Small body can have a large capacity. Universal casters, easy to move. Sensitive touch panel, easy and fast operation. LED intelligent color changing indicator light. Clear environmental atmosphere at a glance. Clothes not dry, walls molded, and electrical appliances damped can be solved with one machine.